Hello and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use our team account. This is going to be found in Builderall Business or Builderall Ambassador menu if you are an ambassador under team account. And this feature lets you create a team for your Builderall business where you can have multiple members and allocate commission, and everybody can work together to earn commissions and have a Builderall business. So what you're going to do first is click continue, and then you're going to give your team a name and provide an email. Now this email must be different than the email on your account. That is very important. So I will use a different email that is not the one associated in my account. Once you click send, it's going to open up this menu, and then it's going to just review the request. Now all that you need to know now is that once the request is approved, there's going to be use that email to sign in, and then there's going to be a password provided, and all of the people will use the same passwords to log in and be a part of the team account. So that's basically everything we have for this feature at the moment. Please stay tuned for more tutorials on this, and as always, have a great day.